Hey guys, thanks for joining in. Today I wanted to run you through a patch that I put together using Ableton Simpler and a basic sine wave. So it's a keys patch. It's really pretty, really clean though, so we can use it in multiple projects. You can then add mods to sort of tweak it to your liking to suit the track you're working on. The full patch is available for my Patreon subscribers. If you're interested in that, jump into the description down below. Follow the links. You know the drill. All right, starting off with a fresh instance of Simpler here. Now we need our sine wave. I'll pop a link to a basic sine wave in the description also in case you don't have one, but any clean sine will do. You can record one out of another synth that you've got, but if not, jump on the link. Now, this sine was recorded in C, so when I drop it into the Simpler and I hit the C key, we will get a note of C. That's pretty sweet. It's quite low, so I'm just going to transpose it up 2 octaves. It's 24. Sounds like a sine wave. Now, the note is quite short. We want it to play continuously, so I'm going to hit the loop function here, bring the range within the sample. You can hear it's clicking. Even though snap is set on, sometimes it doesn't properly snap at the beginning. So I worked out a trick. If you hold down your key, you'll be able to. All right, let's bang that up there. Some more voices. All right, next up, I want to add a little bit of detune, a bit of drift, you know, that lo-fi sort of vibe. So when you use the oscillator section here, pitch to LFO, 1.3%, pitch to LFO, key follow to 100%. That means that when we play lower keys, the LFO will move at a lower rate, higher keys, higher rate. So when you play a chord, you'll get different detuning depending on the keys that you're playing. It's all running a bit fast for me at the moment. I'm going to drag it right down, 0.04. And a little bit of attack on here, maybe 1 second. So what that means is that when we strike the key, the LFO will wait 1 second before it starts to G-tune. So that means that every time you hit the key, it's going to be perfectly in tune. You still get your drift or detune coming on later. All right, next up, I'm going to set my attack and decay, my ADSR, envelope settings. Now it's sounding nice. Okay, some filter. I kind of want this sound to be a little bit more lo-fi, a little bit dusty, so I can use the filter to adjust that. I liked around 750 for the cutoff. Notice I've got key follow set on as well. That means that the filter will move around depending on how high or low the key that you're playing. I like the SMP mode for this one, but feel free to play around, adjust to your taste, adjust the project that you're working in, see what feels good to you. Resonance about 50. Nice, nice, and a little bit of drive, just a touch. Just a little bit of harmonics there, nothing too serious. You can always push these things harder as you need them, but for a basic patch like this, I really like things to be clean. At this point, I'm probably going to set up some macros. I like to have quick access to the envelope settings, so let's go attack. Let's go filter drive, filter cutoff. It's a good start. Hey guys, sorry, this is me from the future. I just realized I missed one last step. So here in the envelope section, actually jump this over to pitch and enable the pitch envelope. I need to give it an amount. In this case, I'm going to go 12, which is 1 octave. This is telling the envelope how much to adjust the pitch, and it sounds like this. Little laser is not quite what I'm going for. I'm just going to adjust the decay here, bring it down till it's more of a strikey, plucky sound. So this is kind of meant to emulate when you strike a piano key, there's actually a hammer that hits the string inside the piano. So just to give a little bit more of a oomph, a little bit more knock. So that's the basic patch, all done. So now what I might do is, let's put some effects on just to show you kind of what it sounds like. Simpler actually has a built-in spread effect here, which is okay, but I've actually built something recently that I'd like to show you guys. So let's chuck it in. It's called Gentle Wide Thing, and I made it using Valhalla Supermassive, which is a free delay plugin. Does not come with Ableton. It's a third-party product, but it's free. Absolutely worth grabbing. One of the best you'll find. So let's have a listen before and after. You can get pretty wild with these settings if you want. Fun. Cool. Well, that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're able to follow along. And if you have any questions, anything that wasn't clear, sorry if you can't handle my accent. What do you do? Like I said, the clean sidewave sample is available down below. If you want the full patch finished, jump over to the Patreon. I'll also put a Gentle Wide Thing in there for you guys, along with some sample packs, Vital patches as well. Vital is a free synth that's worth having a look at as well. Love those three things. Awesome, guys. Thanks so much for joining in. Have a beautiful day. Like, subscribe, all those things. Peace.